I get a gift for you today. 5 things. If you can do right in your content, you will see massive difference in your views and sales. These tips will be incredibly useful for your content, so make sure you listen. Number 1, the hooks. The first thing you can do to target much wider audience is to tweak your hook. Look, we all know what is the hook. A simple change would allow you to reach bigger segment of people. And you might think, no, I have a niche. I want my videos to go to my specific audience and specific niche, but it's actually the opposite. I'm not saying you should go outside your target audience, but I'm telling you to target the biggest possible segment of your people, of your audience, so that your audience will watch, more people will watch, but they all form your niche. Because this gives you much bigger chance of finding your ideal client. For example, let's say you're a fitness coach who trains dad over 30. If your video hook says, if you're dad over 30, here's 3 exercises to help you lose fat. What you do is you are limiting your reach to a really specific people, specific group of your whole niche. And you're losing tons of subscribers, you're losing tons of followers, you're losing tons of things that actually, if you did this thing right, your ideal customers will come and more people will come. Maybe out of 100,000 potential viewers, only 1,000 are dads and only 700 are over 30. And instead, if you say, if you want to lose fat, here are 3 exercises you can do today. You have now targeting everyone who wants to lose fat, not just dads over 30. This is what I mean by targeting the large segment. Second advice is stop being fake. A lot of people do this. Man, stop being paid. You are destroying your content with your own hands. Stop being artificial. And so I see a lot of creators say things like, these are the most real things you have to do. The first thing the viewer gonna feel, this is AI, robotic. He's reading from the script. Even if you don't know what he's talking about, so gross. This is a personal brand. Be yourself. Like, what's gonna make you different about the others is being yourself. Step 3, use the negativity. People love the negative things more than the positive thing. I want you to mention the negative, not the positive. And what I mean by that, if I come up to you and say, you are nice, I love you so much, you'll just like say thanks and move on. Like, thanks, yes, I'm nice. But if I come to you and say, you are so stupid, you will like be, oh my god, wait, what am I so stupid? What this man think? What is this man thinking about? Did you see the different? The impact is different. Of course, I'm not telling you to insult your audience, but how to use negativity as a positive thing in your content. For example, rather than just saying, use the 3 things before posting on Instagram, try saying, never, ever, ever post on Instagram again without doing those 3 things. Do you see the difference? When the viewer is scrolling in the social media, which video he will watch? And that's why this type of the videos work. Don't beg. Show your personality, but don't beg for the engagement. You know what I mean? In short, I've always seen things like share, comment, subscribe. Like, you have to say it some ways, but don't like, please, I'm gonna be crying if you didn't subscribe to my channel. You are giving value to people, and if people love your content, they will subscribe, they will follow. The last thing is the hard cuts. And this might surprise you and no one is talking about it. It's to avoid hard cuts, because the viewer should feel like you're speaking naturally. You're not reading a script. So I have written this script yesterday, and look, the script is really important. You should read the script. I'm gonna split my script into lines, simple lines. This is an example of harsh cuts. Like, if you use the sound, the algorithm will take you seriously and popular one will comment to your video. Did you see the harsh? Did you see the difficult while cuts like this? Rather than just saying, if you use the sound and then stop, like in my position, and read the second thing, like, a popular one is gonna read your script. Watch this video, see you in the next video. Thank you.